What's up guys, and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix 503 service unavailable error in Roblox. It's very easy and simple. All I have to do is to follow my steps, and before I begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Now, first thing to do is to open your browser, then click on these three dots right here, then go to settings, and here you should type in the search bar clear browse data, then click on it and check these two boxes right here and choose all time from this bar right here, then click on clear data. And after that, what you're gonna do is to go to reset settings, then click on this option right here and choose reset settings, and it will do the same to your browser. Now, the second thing that you can do is to open your search bar, then type network and go to network connections. And after that, you want to click on the port that you are using right now, then right click on it, go to properties. And now you should look for something called Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Now click on it, then choose properties. After that, you should go to these two options right here and choose this option. Then you should type the DNS number manually, and you should type 8.8.8.8.8, and down you should type 8.8.4.4, and that's all. Click on OK, then restart your computer, and the issue will be fixed, and you will be able to go to Roblox website easily without any problem. That's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.